Welcome to the Weekly Dog Sports Bettor Podcast Show. Welcome to the Weekly Dog Sports Bettor Podcast Show. It's your boy Michael Scott, the man Rushing.
And I'm East of the man Taylor Street.
And I had to say things twice, two times a day.
2 times 2.
This is a crazy episode, E. Man, I'm just happy to be. We in Bunker One.
Bunker One, baby, we here. Hey, we here where you gotta strap up. You gotta strap up.
Yeah.
Bunker One, baby. With the
Yeah, you gotta strap up, man. We got R2D2 in the building. We got R2D2 point 01. You know what I'm saying? I should say because my nephew ain't here with R2D2.02. But it's all good, man. Today's lineup episode is going to be great today. We come with the good Bears talk, of course.
Nah, Bears.
Bears. We got C-Red. We got Aha Hoops coming.
C-Red.
Man, East top 5. I don't know you weren't ready for the top 5. But we might got cover East top 5. It's been going crazy, man. We got the Dogs. So, man, that was so crazy today, E. What you excited about, man? It's going nuts, man.
I'm just excited about, I know one thing I'm excited about is that this is, America, listen to me. This is a happy anniversary for us, you know what I'm saying?
It is. I forgot. Look, we've been boozing.
We've been snoozing on it because
we've been working,
we've been grinding, we've been doing our thing out here, so it's been rough for us to even know the actual date, but I can say, I want to give a shout out to my man Michael Scott, man Rushing, for putting this together. You know what I'm saying? And we've been planning.
Come on with it.
It's been a year plus. A year plus, man. When we first started this, and the journey has been love, and we've been flying since. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to that right there.
Anniversary.
It's our anniversary. Yes.
Woo, it's our anniversary. And that's what it is, man. We off the rocks. And this is the Weekly Dog Sportsman Podcast. So, man, we got to get into it, man. Colorado Talks, the intro. And I want to talk about this Deion Sanders prime time and them boys up in Boulderville. What you call it, Joe? It's Boulderville. It's crazy.
It's Boulderville. It's time, man. It's Deion Sanders and the family over there. All the family. I just love the way this dude just keep on showing up and showing out and crunch time situations. You feel me? This is second year. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Second year just controlling the narrative. He's controlling the narrative. You understand what that means? That means that this dude came from the HBCU situation ship. And then he graduated, you know what I'm saying? Graduated to where this don't happen for a guy like him, just to go to where he went to Colorado, and now they're in the Big 12, they're in second place, man, they still winning. And that's why I'm going to keep this train rolling while it's rolling. You know how it is. You start losing, we ain't going. But he winning right now. And this year, you can lose 2 games and still make it to the playoffs, America. Back in the days, you couldn't lose 2 games. So
this is a different era.
It's a different era. It's 12 teams. They was 20th last week. They just won. So they play against Utah this week. You know what I'm saying? Which is cool. And so now I'm looking at like, man, they might be 18th now ranked this week. They can get to 12 by the end of the year if they win that Big 12 championship.
Man, I just want to say this right here. Shout out to Primetime. Shout out to his son, Shador. Shout out to his other son who played cornerback. Shout out to his other son, Travis Hunter. The other son played safety, my bad.
All of his kids, man.
We off the rocks, yo. I just want to shout out to all Prime kids, man, because
the whole team.
Shout out to Colorado. I want to shout out everybody who's been holding Colorado down, bro, because the move to the Big 12 was shaky. They lost a couple of games. Everybody jumped. They really didn't have faith with prime time, and that Colorado team just been delivering. So they deliver on a regular basis. Shador, he solidified himself as one of the best quarterbacks in college football. So I love it for that. I love him for that. You know what I mean? He solidified himself. I always talk about like he's slow in the combine. He ain't gonna run. I've been tweaking on him. I ain't gonna lie. That's because I got a lot of faith in him. I know who his daddy was. I grew up watching his daddy and his daddy prime. So obviously I'm hard on the shorty. But at the same time, he delivered in crunch time. Colorado delivered.
Every week. Even if they lose, Shadua is delivering. Now, he can't run. We always say that. He ain't no
He a little bit slow.
But you know what I'm saying? What he do got, though, he got that Tom Brady-ish, like, I ain't gonna front. He got it. I've seen it.
This week, Colorado was down. The comeback, just to hop in the Betterverse, the comeback was nasty. And I'm just going to slide in the Betterverse a little bit. The comeback would have been nasty. But we got a lot going on, man. I know we didn't haul the intro with Colorado, but because we love Colorado, we love prime, Times Prime. But, man, we got to get into this hoops. I can't wait to get into that. This basketball, man. It's a lot going on, man. See red. You ready to talk about these Bulls and these Bears, man? It's a lot of changes going on at Hottest Hall.
Man, we got the little dogs and the big dogs, too.
The dogs.
We gotta
the dogs. Man, we charged, man. I know we spent a lot of time on Colorado because we love prime time. It's not going to stop the man rushing.
And I'm East Selling the Man Taylor Street.
And yeah, this is the Weekly Dog Sportsman Podcast. Like, subscribe, share us the intro.
Comment.
We coming back. Please comment, man. We coming back on the side of the break. Let's go with Aha Hoops.
Aha Hoops, yeah. We got to do it.
We got to do Aha Hoops right away. Let's get it. Yep. All right, welcome back. We coming right back. Check us out.